Alright, so here we have the QSP Canary. It's a very nice knife, stone washed blade, CR8MOV or O2VI VSI, I'm sorry, CR8MO2VSI steel, stone washed, kind of a clip point, nice belly on the knife. Kind of reminds me of the old throwing knives with the hollow handles. They used to do this for balance. I don't know where this knife balance is at. I want to say this is the green linen micarta handle. I know there's a different version of green that QSP makes, and I have it on my other video for the bison. If you've seen that one, if you haven't seen that one, just let me pull this knife out for you, because I do like the other green handle better than this one. This one is a little rough in your hand. You can kind of feel all those cross patterns, versus this is the bison and this is the canary. So when I ordered this knife, it showed a picture with this color handle, and then I received this one. It's almost an army green. I do like it, but I don't like it as much as this handle here. But back to the review. So this knife came very sharp out of the box. Very nice jimping. I wouldn't say there's any real sharp edges on it. Your finger can slide. It doesn't grab on the jimping, which is nice. I hate when the jimping really grabs. But very, very sharp out of the box. Even the tip, that's really sharp. I love the stonewash blade. You can kind of see the roughness of the handle with these fibers. Like, these fibers are kind of embedded in the handle, and I don't know what they are, but you can see them. Kind of even letting go here, you can see the fibers kind of letting loose a little bit. So when you start using this, it should smooth out. They did a nice job beveling or chamfering these holes. These fasteners are real flush. The spine is flush with the blade. Maybe sits a little bit proud, but pretty much flush. No other jimping on the handle anywhere else. I did a nice job making sure this is not sharp. It's nice and smooth all the way into here, nice and smooth on both sides. Decent sharpening choil. You can definitely get some sharpens out of that. Let's check out the, just wipe it off. Let's check out the accuracy of their sharpening here. All right. So it looks to be very even on both sides as far as the sharpening goes. Nice tip. The spine is rounded over, so it's not sharp anywhere. You might be able to strike a ferro rod here if you wanted to. I'm not a big ferro rod guy on my knives, but if that's what you like, I would say this knife isn't going to do it for you because it's pretty rounded over. The handle in hand fits really, really nice. We got a 4 5/8 handle, and we've got a 4 1/4 inch blade with a little bit less, probably a 4-inch cutting edge. Look at the sharpness of that blade. Ooh. QSP does a very nice job on their blades, on their steel, on their sheaths. I look forward to getting more knives from QSP. These ones I bought with my own money. I'm hoping in the future, if they'd like me to review their blades, they will send me some. But I like their sheath. This one you can wear scout style. You can rotate this. It's a little hard to rotate, but it's supposed to be. Hang that on your belt in the back or the front, whatever you'd like to do. And there you got scout style. If you'd like to wear it in your normal, this would be hanging it from a backpack or something with the handle down. And I'll tell you, you can definitely get a pretty much full purchase on this handle here. If it were my knife and I designed it, I would shaved a little bit more of the sheath out, just so you can get your finger right up in here where it needs to be. So you'll see when I pull this out, my finger could be a little more forward. Not much, but just a little. And if they would do it a little bit closer, you could almost be on this jimping right here when you pulled it out, and that would be nice. So I'll push really hard into this and then pull out. And I'm a little closer to the jimping. I'm still not on it, and I'm still not quite all the way forward. Plenty of handle in your hand. Nice belly. These scales are fairly flat. I do like it when there's a swell in the middle and even a little swell on the end. But overall, I give the fit and finish and everything about this knife, I give it a 10. Let's take a look at this sheath one more time. I like the minimal style taco fold over sheath. This is a plastic. I don't know how long this will hold up, you know, like eventually, like any phone case would or anything plastic. I think eventually it's going to fail right here. This would be 2 Allen screws or a Phillips, and then an Allen on this side. And then this would come off, and you could put your own tech lock on here, whatever you wanted to put on here. And it's not extremely low profile with this, you know, clip on here. You can see, you know, the minimal shape of this is extended by the clip. So it could be more minimal. I mean, this sticks off the sheath quite a ways. I don't know why they did that. I suppose because when you want to rotate it this way and have it in a normal use position, but you can see it's still a little ways off the knife. It doesn't appear there's much you're going to be able to do to modify this either to get it more minimal. I think this is what it is. If you like this one, I think I would like this, to be honest. Throw that right over your pants, right over your belt. It's going to accommodate a large belt too. Let's just give you an idea. 2-inch belt will go in there easy. So that's the QSP Canary. Here's the box. I don't know. Okay, here's a Canary fixed blade. So green micarta handle. So guys, that's a great knife. I give it a 10 overall. I give the Sheath a 10. Overall package 10. Value I give a 10. It's a great knife. No damage, no flaws out of the box. If you guys are looking to pick up a nice knife for a decent price, I'd say, you know, consider QSP. At Blade Show, they always do really well. A lot of people just run to their booth because they have nice quality knives. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you subscribing. Like this video. Feel free to comment with your thoughts on QSP. I usually read all the comments, try to get back to everybody. I'm trying to grow this channel, so if you can please subscribe and like and share and comment and do all the nice things that the knife community is known for, it'd be much appreciated. Thanks, guys.